Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an item from your cart on the Walmart app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove an item that was mistakenly placed within your cart. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on your cart on the top right hand corner, and then on this page here, you're going to go ahead and see items that are within your cart. So with that, click on see details and then click on remove next to the item which you want to go ahead and remove. But there you have it guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove an item from your cart on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.